All right, so trade update, guys. It's now the weekend. I'm carrying the trades over. Here, let's take a look. All right, okay. So this is where we are right now. On my way to $1 million. I say millions because I wanted the series to kind of go on past a million. Um, I was kind of stuck around this for quite a while, between 480 and 530. I was stuck there for maybe a month, I think, maybe a month or so. It was kind of, it wasn't easy. I was a little, it was rough. It was rough. Um, so, uh, remember we have the trade copier program that you can get into, where you can link your account to mine and, um, you can do the trade that I'm doing. Follow along, same trades if you want, or you can purchase the course and do your own trades. I teach actual market structure, not the crap that I find on YouTube. Um, I'm telling you, man, real market structure. Um, and so this one's at 52 pips so far. Got it on a short on OddCat. Next, odd CHF. Right now it's 74. Uh, this hit a line of area of it was support. Resistance is up, area, support is down. But this is perfect to me because I see this retest of the double top neckline, double bottom neckline, which had a double bottom right here. This really supposed to go this way, not beyond this point, but look, it's coming here. Um, so I'm not going over targets. I'm just talking about where I am as far as the trade at the moment. All of these do have targets, upper and lower targets. Have like close targets and far away. Sometimes they have close targets and far away. But I'll bring them into the screen at this point. My predicted path, I thought it would come here. I had a different path, which was here, would do this. But it did this, which I'm very happy. He's been waiting for that forever. This drop, been waiting forever, but this appears to be a harmonic pattern. And this may head up, it could head up back up to my stop loss. That can happen. So, I'll keep an eye on that. I might just muscle it through and just stay in, let it go all the way back and just let it go again. I don't know. I might, I have a stop loss here. I gave it here. So all my stop losses are moved forward, but I would give it room. I'm not worried about keeping the profits. I'm not worried about that. It doesn't really worry me. I'll know I'll make the money. I make the money every week. I don't worry about that. Yeah, it's not like profits are not something that you get concerned about. Like there's going to always be opportunity. So it doesn't bother you. Losses and profits don't bother you anymore. When you get to the point where I am, you're doing what you've always done. You're doing your routine. And I have my routine. My routine's 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. to 4 a.m. I broke that routine to just hold it through the whole entire week. As I have off, if I take off, but I want to keep the videos going. I'm trying to build up more views, build up more the audience and build up the channel. So, it'd be great if you could just hit that like button for me. Don't forget to smash that for me. And it'll help this channel, get the views, I believe it should have. So, CAD CHF short, you see where that is at 42.3. CAD JPY, I didn't get into this one. You see it formed that harmonic, which should do something like one of these numbers. I'm thinking even if it got to this point, that's it. I expect this area here to stay open. This will go down and go way far away and then come back to this level probably by the end of 2022, beginning 2023. It should be back up to this level.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
Same goes for the other yen pairs. I expect same thing to happen is at 25. Not much of a drop. CF JPY. Western India AUD. You had a harmonic here, but I just didn't get into. This here is a buy, classic buy. You have a double bottom along with the bullish harmonic. This is pretty much my bread and butter. But I was in just so many trades that I wanted to take. I couldn't just do every single trade. I did many trades, but I didn't do every single trade. I did like 26 trades. So, hey, this is at 70-60s. As you see, my stop loss has just moved up. Just giving it room. I'm not doing anything for the rest of the week. I'm not doing any other trades for about a week. I just want to see what's going to happen, Will they go out and hit stop loss? Will just the whole thing go back? We don't know. Now, normally, I just take profits. But I decided that I wasn't going to do that. This time, who wouldn't want to take, 150,000, 170, like a peak to like a 174, 170. Who would not want to do that? But I'm doing somewhat of an experiment to go beyond what I normally do, like taking 40,000, 50,000. Once a month, I do maybe take 100,000 profit, but I'm just seeing what's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? That's all. And just make a YouTube video about it. This whole thing go back to zero. That's fine. It's fine with me. I'll redo it again. So I expect this to stay open. See how this is open and it's like, you know what I mean? I expect this to stay here so that price can come back in the future, probably a distant future. Because I know how far down it's going to go. I have the targets. And my targets, 100% do hit. They always hit. I could be off by 10 pips, 15 pips. That's fine. That's considered a hit anyway when it's gone thousands of pips to get there. It can stop 10 pips, 25 pips. You know what I mean? That's fine with me. Perfectly fine. I've made the money. So that's what we trade. We trade it if it's going to hit it exactly. Okay. Sometimes it's about, I would say roughly 60% of the time it's exact, and about maybe the other times it's either too conservative or it's barely slightly too aggressive. But I'm never off by any more than, when it's too aggressive, I'm never off by more than say 20, I'm thinking 20, 25, 20 pips, 20, 25. Because I had one that was 35 and it still hit. It's like, it took a long time, but it actually didn't hit it and then it left. Usually I'm too aggressive by about, if I am off and not exact, about 20, maybe 20, 10 to 20 pips, maybe. No more than that. So anyway, so your NZD, 106 pips for that. Yeah, your USD decided to short it. When the period came back down, decided to short that. You got that bearish harmonic right here. So it should have finished this. This is where it came within 10 pips. I shorted expecting it to go actually hit that target I was talking about that was missed by 10 pips. Just went for that. Okay, all right, okay. My great nephew, great niece, I don't know which one is screaming. One of them killed kids screaming. So this one's 226 into profit, GBP, JPY. If it goes past 350, that'd be my record. My record on GBJPY is like 350, 357 pips. So another, 100 and so pips to go to hit my record. The other one I got into was GBP USD. That one's at 173. I caught this before the total drop happened. Nice there, nice there. Next one is US NZD CHF. 49. NZD JPY short me in 90.2. NZD USD was another short. Expected that collapse at 70 pips. These are pips that I've all taken at the same time, all within like 15 minutes of each other. Okay, on a Thursday. So 115 pips for USD CAD and USD CHF is sitting at 24.3. I had USD JPY, but it went to stop. I had caught this down, and then it ended up going back up to stop. And it's back where I had sold it again. So that's kind of going to be some sideways price action for that one. Okay. So that's it. Just enough for the update. Remember, you can get in, you can join the Telegram, you can join the group. You can join for $39 a month. And I'll give you mentorship. You get mentorship, you get signals, you get instruction video lessons, over 100 video lessons. Yeah, you get that support, get that live support from me, a personal, get to talk to me personally, one-on-one, trying to think what else. We have the trade copier program, check it out. The link is provided below on the Patreon. And we have the course, the RSAI Blueprint Strategy course. You can get that. So, all right, so that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one now Friday. So enjoy your weekend. I'm out. Peace.
Connect One Forex Signal Services allows traders to take advantage of market trends to grow smaller accounts into larger accounts. No need to rush to capture a 50, 100, or 150 pip signal, because KOFXS signals are between 200 and 1200 pips. Here's how it works. When you look at the signal, it'll have an open price, a stop loss, and a target, with additional information about risk-return ratio, potential pips, and explainer video for the trade. If the trade gets stopped out, you can either wait for it to return to the open price, or you can take a second signal that's going to have an even greater return with the same target price. Our special strategy for calculating price targets is what separates us from other services out there. Take advantage of large trend movements and start on your way to success with KOFXS Group. For more details, visit our website or join our Telegram channel for a free trial.